Question 441. How do you handle null safety in Kotlin? And what are the advantages of Kotlin's null safety feature? In Kotlin, null safety is enforced at compile time, reducing the risk of null pointer exceptions. I use nullable types and safe calls to handle null values, ensuring code reliability and readability. Question 442. Can you explain the difference between val and var in Kotlin, and when to use each? In Kotlin, val is used for immutable variables, while var is used for mutable variables. I prefer using val whenever possible to maintain code consistency and prevent unintended modifications. Question 443. How do you implement extension functions in Kotlin, and what are the benefits of using them? Extension functions in Kotlin allow me to add new functionalities to existing classes without modifying their source code. This promotes code reusability, readability, and maintainability. Question 444. Describe your experience with writing test cases in Kotlin. How do you ensure code coverage and quality in your Kotlin projects? I use tools like Junit and Mockito to write unit tests for my Kotlin code. I focus on achieving high code coverage by writing comprehensive test cases and conducting thorough code reviews. Question 445. How do you integrate Kotlin with Spring Boot for building RESTful web services? Can you provide an example of a Kotlin-based REST API you have developed? I integrate Kotlin with Spring Boot by creating controllers, services, and repositories using Kotlin syntax. I leverage Spring's annotations to define REST endpoints and handle HTTP requests efficiently. Question 446. Explain your approach to optimizing Kotlin code for performance. How do you identify and address performance bottlenecks in Kotlin applications? I use profiling tools like JProfiler and YourKit to identify performance bottlenecks in Kotlin applications. I optimize code by reducing unnecessary computations, improving algorithms, and minimizing memory usage. Question 447. How do you handle concurrency and multi-threading in Kotlin? Can you discuss a scenario where you implemented concurrency in a Kotlin project? I use Kotlin's coroutines to handle concurrency and asynchronous programming efficiently. I leverage coroutines to perform parallel tasks, manage thread pools, and ensure thread safety in Kotlin applications. Question 448. What tools do you use for continuous integration and continuous deployment in Kotlin projects? How do you automate build, test, and deployment processes in your Kotlin workflow? I use Jenkins, GitLab CI/CD, or Travis C for continuous integration and deployment in Kotlin projects. I automate build, test, and deployment tasks using Gradle or Maven scripts to streamline the development pipeline. Question 449. How do you troubleshoot and debug Kotlin applications? Can you share a challenging debugging experience you encountered and how you resolved it? I use IntelliJ IDEA's debugger and logging frameworks like SLF4j to troubleshoot Kotlin applications. I faced a memory leak issue in a Kotlin project, and I resolved it by analyzing heap dumps and optimizing memory usage. Question 450. Describe your experience with cloud computing platforms like AWS or Google Cloud. How do you deploy Kotlin applications to the cloud, and what considerations do you take into account? I deploy Kotlin applications to AWS Lambda or Google Cloud Functions for serverless computing. I consider factors like scalability, security, cost efficiency, and performance when deploying Kotlin apps to the cloud. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.